We're gonna do body filler here. All right, make sure you wear glasses, gloves, and a mask. We're gonna cover as much as we can on this thing and let it dry up. So today we're not gonna sand it. We're gonna wait until it glamour because we're gonna try to hold as much as we can. We're gonna tighten in those holes in here. It's uneven in some of the places. So we're gonna mix this up today and see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's go ahead and start the putty. So I got a piece of wood, of cardboard here. This is the mixture we need. Give you instructions how to use it, how to open it up too. It's just the top that we need to open it. I do have a flat head somewhere in here. I'm gonna mix it up with this one. It's a little mix. You guys can see. So it's good. That's good enough. Mix it up. Not too much. Make sure that the blue blends in perfectly, right? That should do it. So we're gonna start with the main part that we need here. I'm gonna dance. This thing dries up pretty quick, so you need to hurry up. Completely dried up already.